Have you ever wondered why some people thrive in business online while others struggle year after year? The secret isn't always in the product or service being promoted. The people who manage to turn their efforts into life-changing income are the ones who master the art of driving traffic. Whether you're looking to earn your living online or supplement your existing income, traffic is your golden ticket to success. Without it, you'll be stuck at square one forever. But here's the good news. You're about to uncover 50 proven ways to get all the traffic you need online. Imagine a steady stream of visitors pouring into your links every day, discovering what you have to offer and turning into loyal customers. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's closer than you think. In this video set, you'll dive into specific methods and resources where traffic is available to you at little to no cost at all. No more guessing or hoping for traffic to magically arrive. You'll finally have actionable traffic methods and actual traffic sources that you can plug directly into your business and start seeing results. Get ready to unlock the doors to 50 traffic streams that anyone, including you, can take advantage of starting today. Your path to online success starts here.